How to get a new numpy array based on conditions of two other numpy arrays using only numpy operations? Let's say I have np.array of a equals 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, and b equals 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. I want a new matrix C such that if AI equals 0 and BI equals 0, then CI equals true. I've tried using C equals np. where A equals 0 and B equals 0, but seems this won't work on two arrays. Ultimately, I want a count of zeros that are true in both cases and ones that are true in both cases without using any loops and external libraries. Please advise.
Here is my solution. Your logic expression is nothing but C equals not A or B. This means, you want CI equals true, only if both AI and BI are 0. The OR can be achieved by adding the two arrays. We then convert the array into a Boolean type and invert it. If you then want to count the number of zeros, you can simply perform more general solution. If you want your array CI equals true if AI equals A0 and BI equals B0, you can do the conditions at equals A0 and B equals B0 return each a Boolean array with the truth value of the condition for each individual array element. The bitwise operator and performs an element-wise logical AND. For more bitwise operators, see this URL.
If you want to see more classic content, subscribe